In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a backup on Hostinger in just 5 minutes. Restoring a backup is a critical process, ensuring that you can bring your website back online in case anything goes wrong. Whether you're dealing with a data breach, server crash, or accidental changes, having a backup and knowing how to restore it is essential. Let's dive right into the steps you need to take. First, head over to the Hostinger website. This is where all the magic happens, so make sure you're on the right platform to follow along with us. Once you're on the Hostinger homepage, look for the login button. You'll find it quite intuitively placed on the site, so go ahead and click that. After logging in, direct yourself to the Hostinger dashboard, commonly referred to as hPanel. This is your command center. It's where you manage all aspects of your web hosting account. Look for the home section here. This area displays all your active services and accounts, making it easy to navigate where you need to go next. Now find the Manage button. It should be right underneath your hosting service information. Clicking on this button will take you to a detailed page where you can fine-tune the settings of your hosting account. Once inside the Manage section, your next step is to look for and click on the Files tab. This brings you to the area where all your website files are stored. Now it might look a bit overwhelming with all the folders and file names, but don't worry. We're only concerned about one particular functionality here. Navigate to the Backups section. This is where all your hard work to secure your site's data pays off. Here you will see a list of all the available backups that have been created for your website. Each backup will have a date, allowing you to select the most recent one or a specific version you wish to restore. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to ensuring that your website's data is safely restored. The process we've covered today is not just about restoring files, it's about peace of mind, knowing that you can quickly and efficiently recover your site to the state it was in at a time when everything was functioning perfectly. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to restore your website backup using Hostinger. With this knowledge, you can keep your site up and running smoothly in case things don't go as planned. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more web management tips, and until next time, happy hosting.